Yay, finally, I found the link. Took me a while to try to find the link. Wait, 5:11. All right. Okay. How are you, everyone? Good.
Not well.
Well, what happened?
I got the sick.
You got flu. Be careful out there, because we can't
Okay.
this day. So take a lot of rest and get well soon. Last time we were talking about the inventors, right? Inventors is someone invent something that never happened before. Then we learn about the vocabularies, which I like you to listen and repeat to it one more time. Okay.
Listening 53. Look, listen, and repeat. 1. Drawing pins.
Drawing pins.
Stapler.
Laptop.
Stapler, can you please repeat after?
Laptop.
3. String.
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 4. Glue.
Glue.
5.
Glue.
Car.
Card.
Odd. 6. Paper clips.
Paper clip.
Please.
7. Tape.
Tape.
8. Straws.
Store.
9. Paint.
King.
10. Paintbrush. 11. Wire.
Why?
So it's important that you learn all these words and get to understand. And then we were talking about these nouns, right? You have all copied it down. We're talking about nouns, things that we use to call a person, places, and things. This is nouns. Then I was telling you that we separate nouns into countable nouns and uncountable nouns, right? Uncountable nouns is the nouns that you cannot count. For example, water, milk, sugar, noodles, spaghetti. These things always count as singular form. They will always be a singular form. And today we're going to learn how to use some or any. For affirmative form, we're using some. For example, there is some milk. See, singular, we're using is, right? For any, we're using with the negative form and question. For example, there isn't is negative. There isn't any butter. So singular, right? Or questions, there any juice? Is also another form of singular, and you using any. Like that. I was in the middle of writing. Then let's move on to this side, countable nouns, right? Countable nouns we separate into two categories. Singular, which means one. And then plural means more than one.
ทะเบียนขอไข่รอเรือ2369ค่ะ
Okay, can you and then for
คิวปิดไหมค์หน่อย
ผู้ครอบครองรถค่ะหนูอยากได้เลขบัตรประชาชนนะคะ
oh I can
ปิดไมค์หน่อย
okay. All right, for singular form, we using for consonant. Oh, sorry. We using for a consonant, and we using n for vowels, right? For example, a book, an orange, right? Let me give you some example. What are you using umbrella? A or N? For umbrella.
N
And umbrella. What about unicorn? A or N? A unicorn.
and unicorn
And these ones we using unicorn. Why is that? This one is also vowels, right? However, I just want you to notice that unicorn, how do you pronounce it? U, right? It doesn't not like umbrella. Umbrella, we pronouncing as umbrella. So that's why we're using an umbrella. However, unicorn uses consonant to pronounce it, like unit, right? Nobody say an unit. We just say a unit. So that's why be careful when you are using and. So you have to really make sure that you can pronounce in that words and using it. Okay, enough of that. Next, we're talking about countable nouns, and also it's also plural. Plural also just works as uncountable nouns, just the same thing, but it's plural. Okay, almost the same thing, but however, this one using is, right? Is. But this one using are. Understand? That's the difference between the two. And some also same thing, using with the affirmative form. They are some books. Books, more than one, uncountable nouns, right? Any, using with the form. They aren't any students. Because students, more than one students, that's why you're using on. Here it is. Are there any tables? You know, these are books, students, tables. They are all countable nouns in plural form, more than one. That's why we using are. Understand? I hope so. I think it's the same in case you don't understand. Here we go. Let's do some answering. Okay. Like, you know, countable noun, things that I can count, right? 3 oranges, 2 oranges, right? Countable nouns, like I said before, singular noun, take the and or one. Take and or one, like one pen. There is one pen on the table. Plural is a noun with the S, right? A potato or potatoes. Next thing is uncountable nouns, right? Things that you cannot count. For example, rice. Nobody in the right mind would count rice, grains. Okay. Now, this sentence, we love to read books. Can you tell which word is the noun?
book,
Right. Books, right? Is it countable or uncountable?
countable,
Yes, countable. Next one, please pass the salt. Which one is the noun?
salt,
Salt. Countable or uncountable?
uncountable,
Uncountable. One, we need some chairs. Which one is noun?
chairs,
Countable or uncountable?
countable,
Countable.
Countable. Here is the thing that you could say. This one is a singular countable, right? There is a mango. I have an egg. This one, there are some apples. I have some eggs. This one is plural countable, right? And this one, there is some sugar. He has some bread. So this one is uncountable. Understand? I will try to
Yep.
go slowly so you won't get confused. Here, what are you using? There is, what is it? Banana in the recipe.
some,
Banana. Can you count banana?
a banana,
A banana in the recipe because banana is singular countable noun. Okay. Next one. How about ice cream? Can you count ice cream?
none,
No, you cannot count ice cream. So what are you using? Right,
some,
some ice cream in the fridge because it's uncountable. What is it?
I need some water to wash my hands.
Good. I need some water to wash my hands. It's uncountable now. Okay. This one is just try to put the uncountable nouns into something that you can count, which I will skip it. It's all right. Okay. We're using some affirmative sentence, right? This one is Paris Hilton. She's very, very rich. She's the heir of the Hilton's Hotel. Have you ever heard of the Hilton's Hotels? It's very famous hotels and it has these hotels all over the world. So she was born with money, lots and lots of money. There is some money. Annie, it's a negative form and interrogative sentence. Interrogatives means questions. Okay. Look at the poor girls. Is there any money? Right? And no, there isn't any money. Okay, next one. What are you using? I need what?
Sometimes to study.
Need some time to study. How about this one? Cheese. There
Some
is,
cheese.
right, there is
Some,
cheese. Okay. What about this one? They
there
are
aren't any horses
good. There
in
aren't
the field.
in the field. Good. And the last one that I like to remind you, you probably know already, right? How much with uncountable nouns and how many with countable nouns. Okay. I think that is it for checking your understanding. Now, let's do this together. Okay. Tell me, in this sentence, the first one, which word is the noun?
Some sweet.
Can you count?
Yes.
Some.
Yeah.
Some sweets.
Hotels. Can you count hotels?
Yes.
So what do you say? Some or
Some. Any hotel.
yes, because it's a question. Don't forget about it. That's why. Next one is burgers. Can you count burgers?
Yes.
Yes.
Any.
Yes, because it's question, right? Next one, waterfalls. Can you count waterfalls?
No.
Yes, you can count waterfalls. Okay.
Some.
Waterfalls. How about water?
Any.
Some.
Any. Any.
Uncountable nouns, right? So we say any. How about socks? Countable or uncountable?
Countable. Some.
Are you sure? Look for this one. Some or
Any.
chocolate. Can you count chocolate? Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
So any or some?
Any.
Some.
Some.
Number 8.
Yeah.
8. Uncountable.
Any.
Uncountable, right? Question. So you're using sandwiches. Countable or uncountable? Sandwiches. It's countable. Okay. So are you using some or any?
Some.
Right, using some. Number 10. Pencils. Countable nouns. What are you using?
Some.
Don't forget question. We got what? Any. Because it's questions. Okay. How about snow? Countable or uncountable? Snow.
Uncountable.
Right, uncountable. So there isn't what? It's negative form.
Any.
Right, there isn't any snow in the mountain. Number
Any.
3, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Negative form. So what are you using?
Any.
Right, good. Here. Children, countable or uncountable? Children,
Countable.
countable. And plural or singular?
Plural.
Plural, right. So what are you using? Isn't or aren't? Right, there aren't any children in the park. Next one, drinks, countable.
Plural.
And yeah, isn't.
What?
Sorry,
What was wrong?
I have no idea.
เมาไม่ดี
Okay, so this one is there aren't any children in the park, right? This one, drinks. Drinks also countable nouns and it's also plural.
Any jeans
Any drinks. How about this one? Animals.
animal countable noun and plural
What are you using?
the any animal
Animal. Right. Next one, say look at the picture and complete the sentences. Okay. Now help me. What is it? Chocolate.
they there isn't any
Chocolate is uncountable noun, right?
What?
isn't any
And here,
And
what do you think here? Carrot is countable nouns.
there are some carrots
Very good. There are some carrots. Okay. Here's here. Can you count cheese?
oh
Or not?
there
There is
there is cheese
some cheese.
there isn't any apple
Apple.
any
there aren't any apple
Apples. Here, this one. Meat. Uncountable.
there is some meat
Right. Right. Okay, next one.
there
there are some banana.
There's
There are some banana.
Now take out your activity book and turn to page. For lesson 1, page 34. Put it away. Now, go to this one too. Activity 1 and 2. Page activity 1. Please let me know when you finish, okay? Are you finished?
No.
Okay, I'll give you more time.
Finish.
Okay. What is A?
A is number 3. Card.
3 card. Good. B.
B is number 7. Stapler.
Right, stapler. And C is string. Okay. D. What is D?
D is
Number 10.
number 10. Pen brush.
Pen box.
E.
And E is number 2. Store.
Oh, good. And F?
F
Number 4.
10.
Pen.
Good. G.
C number 5. Paper clip.
Good. Paper clip. H.
Now H is number 6.
Number 6.
Tape.
Tape.
I.
I is number
Number
9.
9. Glue.
J.
J is number
Number
5.
Number 8.
8.
Pin.
Put it.
And K.
Calling pin.
11.
Number card is 11.
Yes. Okay, and here are the things that you can count, right? Paper clips, right? Paper clips. Okay, stapler, drawing pins, okay, paint brushes. So these are the things that you can count, okay? The things that you cannot count, there are string, card, paint, tape, wire, glue. These are the things that you cannot count. Please don't forget about these things because you will use it on activity 4, I guess. Yes. Finish?
Not. Finish.
Okay. All right. Next one, activity 3. Let's look together and tell me, okay? We can see straws, we can see wire, right? And then, what is that? Glue, can you see glue?
No.
No.
Right. What about paper clips?
Yes.
Paper clip C.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. And C.
Stapler,
Stapler.
can you see it?
No.
No. Stapler. How about string?
String yet.
Yes.
Paint.
No.
Pen. No.
Oh, there's
Drawing pin. No.
one things. No, right? Paintbrush.
Yes.
Then use this information and form up the sentences using there is and there are. Okay. use the information from this page. Do this one. Write the information from activity 3, right? For example, number 1, there are some straws. Number 2, wire. So here is an example of how to write it. Spot 1 mistake.
ของที่ฝั่งนู้นในพวกไปโดนอะไรมาหนอน
Can you spot the mistake? Don't just hurry up and copying down the answers. It could be a mistake. Okay, I'll give you a hint. It's number 8.
We done it, not yet. We done it, not yet. We done it, not yet. We done
What
it.
mistake? There,
Look at that wheel.
drawing pins.
Oh, BJO, BA Toba. No, oh my god. Hello. We need.
Okay, so today that's about it for today, and I'd like you to memorize all these. There is some, there isn't any, there aren't any. Okay, how to use it, and if you have any questions, you can always ask me online. Okay. All right. So, is there any questions for today's lesson? I'll take that as a no. Okay, I'll see you on Monday. Okay, there's no class on Saturday. All right,
Okay.
to revise and review all the things that we have studied. Okay, all right, I'll see you on Monday. Bye, guys. Bye bye.
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 Bye.